Hi, are you here for the 30-day Law of Attraction crash course? Well, we're about to get started. Come on in. Hello, positive peeps. It's me, Lori, your positivity princess. Welcome to the Lori Show. For the entire month of August, I will be doing a 30-day Law of Attraction crash course just for you. If you're a student of the Law of Attraction, click that like button. Every single day in August, a video will be posted that will be part of the 30-day Law of Attraction series. Each video will flow into the next video. The knowledge given and taught in one video will be expanded on and built on in the next, like a course. This will allow your understanding and your knowledge to increase day by day, every single day. As a YouTuber and as a Law of Attraction coach, I've noticed that there is a general lack of understanding of a few really vital things where the Law of Attraction is concerned. My goal in the next 30 days is to clear up any misconceptions that you may have about the Law of Attraction and to show you how easy it can be to attract the life of your dreams. I really want you to understand the Law of Attraction in a deeper way. I want you to see that the Law of Attraction is not some mystical, mysterious, magical thing that only some people can make work for them. It is something that is everywhere, working for everyone all the time, whether you understand it or like it. You will see this. I am saying that you will likely have some sort of awakening during the next 30 days. Your mind will expand, your awareness will peak, and your abilities will become more natural. I've created a course book that you can download and print for free and follow along for the next 30 days as well. This personal resource will allow you to collect Law of Attraction information, make notes, jot down observations, and most importantly, it will help you to keep a record of everything that you're able to manifest during this 30 days. Yes, you will manifest during this time. Let me finish this video with a couple questions. Do you want to know more about the Law of Attraction? Of course you do. Do you want to understand it better? Would you like to be able to apply it effortlessly? Do you want to be able to better identify your burning desires? Of course! Yes. Comment below, I want to learn about the Law of Attraction. Comment below, I'm ready to manifest. I know you are ready to do the following steps. Number 1, subscribe to this channel so you don't miss these daily videos. That would be sad. Number 2, join my positivity group on Facebook. This is not absolutely mandatory, but it is very helpful and very supportive. And number 3, go to the link below for the course book. It's in a PDF format. You can print it out easily and have it ready. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm excited about this. I've been wanting to do this for a really, really long time. Now I'm ready because I feel that a lot more of you are ready as well. When the student is ready, the teacher appears. Voila. Have a great day, everyone. I love you so much, and be positive. Mwah!